Hi viewers, now we are in Radisson Blue in Karjat, Mumbai. I am really proud to share you the first time ever in India. We are organizing the biggest event, the International Bonsai and Suzuki Convention. Okay, this is Bliss 2025. Okay, and this is organized by South Asia Bonsai Federation, and we are really, as Indians, we all should be very proud to be part of this. And today I want to share this beautiful moments with you all. Okay, this is the first one, friends. This is a common regular Barbados cherry which grows in all the wild in India, very South Asia. And this Barbados cherry, see how the twist and the trunk, the size, the beauty, how it is created by Indians. And friends, today I'm going to show you the different species, the Indians who created, and we are seen all these days in international standards, but India has organized the international exhibition. So I'm going to show one by one the species. See this root over rock, the Long Island, we call it as a Westland. Okay, this is ficus. How beautifully we created the root over rock. This is like a penguin style. This is not a root over rock, this is a penguin style. And next, if you come to this is wood apple, we call it as a lucida. Okay, this is miniature of wood apple, our wood apple. And this is also a beautiful species which grows in India. Okay, you all can try this. And let me show you as a beautiful collection, like how thick it is, the trunk, the shape, and the pads, and the beautiful. And actually, and this is my favorite, Podocarpus. Podocarpus, you can see the Buddhist pine they call. See the pads, the style, the thickness, the trunk, and the how healthy it is. And even I'm happy that in such a short time, India is able to create and participate in the International Bonsai and Suzuki Conference. Okay, and this is organized by South Asia Bonsai Federation, SABF. Okay, friends. Okay, let us go through this complete exhibition and we'll show you one by one. Friends, now these plants were judged by our international masters. See, there are 3 masters from in different countries. They are judging and they are giving a score to the plants. So they, at the end, at the evening, they will be going to select the which is the top 3, and they are going to give the awards up to this. And they are just seeing that nebari, that pattern, the quality, the healthy, and they are scoring in different. This complete sheet has a different points. One is for health, one is for quality, one is for shape and everything. They are scoring. There are 2 masters. They are just scoring it, and one more master. See, this is the 3rd master who is again just rechecking all this. Okay, this is my plant. Okay, and my 2 plants were nominated for this photo exhibition. One is Brahmana and one is Long Island. And this is a photo exhibition. The people who are from different parts of India who can't send their plants to this exhibition, they can send the photos of their plants with a black background. Okay, when they will be displaying, the best will be displayed, and the top will be printed in a magazine, the souvenir which they give at the end of the event. Okay, friends, if you all are interested for next time, you can send your photographs. This is my Westland which I created. This is Kishore Tuvi, you can see the name. And Brahmana, which is a mammy. Okay, this I tried it. Okay, and this also was selected in a photo exhibition. Okay, I am feeling privileged for this. And coming to the next event, friends, see the creation part. See, plants can be normal. It is a simple Long Island plant, a ficus one, and this is a driftwood which finds outside on the roads, and they created with this a beautiful masterpiece. This is how it is, a Long Island in a driftwood they created. This is a masterpiece, so we all can try this. This is a Australian ficus, and simple Australian ficus, and they created with a good idol in between, and this is going to be, after 1-2 years, this is going to be a beautiful masterpiece. This is how it is. And I'll show you the next. It is a Hispida. We call it Hispida. There is a raft style they created, beautifully the raft style, and it's a beautiful Indian species. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the next plant. See this blue braya, people call purple braya, and this is a beautifully split the one single tree into two, and they made it a twin trunk. The twin trunk, and it's beautifully organized, and see the canopy, and it's beautifully, I really loved it. And this is our normal Funkanti, which are available in all the nurseries. How healthy it is, how they created pads, and it's a semi cascade. Just I'm showing all the styles and the shapes and all. Okay, see, this is the water jasmine. Water jasmine, see how healthy, how the flowering, and in such a small tray, and how beautifully it was designed. And we all should be proud that Indian Masters has gone to this level, and they see the landscape and with the water jasmine. And coming to this Barbados cherry, see how healthy with fruits and flowers, and how beautifully the neberi. And this I liked it. People tell that umbrella style, how to create umbrella style. See this umbrella style. Blue Briar, the beautiful neberi, the trunk, the taper, and simple the branch ramification. And see this, the umbrella style, how beautifully they created. Okay friends, just for your understanding, I'm just showing each and every plant. And this is a candle tree. People might be knowing it, the candle tree. It has a long fruits, and the flowering is already started. And this is a candle tree. Okay, this is a weeping style. Weeping style, see, people will be confused what is weeping style and all. See, these all branches are just falling, like branches are falling down, like it's like a weeping style. And they created with a beautiful rocks, and there's a small idol person sitting under the tree, and it's a beautifully designed on a granite plate. Okay, this is how what is a weeping style. Now see this, people say banyan tree, the only one styles are we are able to create and all. See, without, if you remove aerial roots and all, without this, you can create such a thing. The multiple trunk, the banyan style, they created, beautifully they created. So we should sacrifice all the aerial roots, and they created it beautifully, the pads, the branches and all. Really, I loved it. And next, coming to the best, I feel from my side, this is the best. The Chinese elm, the informal upright. See the style, the pads, the healthiness, and see the organized, the gravel and all the stones, the soil, the very little soil, and how healthy it was growing. And this artist was really created wonderful. This is actually, as Indians, we all should feel that India is growing in this art day by day. See this, beautiful. If somebody has to rate, I will be rating this as a number one. And really, this is beautiful. I loved it. Friends, in my videos, I'll be telling this aerial root should be straight, keep it straight, and I'll see how beautifully they are aligned it. Australian ficus, all aerial roots are straight and steady, and see how it's looking elegant and how beautiful. And this is exposed roots. Recently we spoke about it. The exposed roots, this is Tramontasa, and with the exposed roots, the beautiful it is. Okay. And see friends, people confuse with the slanting style, how to create and all. This is Funkanti, the normal plant, the slanting style, and you can do slanting style. See, they did little weeping also, and beautiful. The pot, the structure, the base, everything beautiful. And this I liked it. The Pramina, see this, they did a small landscape painting style, and with the mass and all. And this is our juniper. There are 2-3 types of junipers. This is one type of juniper, but this has an issue, like it will become brown. We need a high maintenance for this. For our climate, it is little difficult to grow in our climates. Okay, this particular one. And this is Suriname cherry. Lot of people ask me, sir, Barbados cherry, it is growing, Suriname cherry, how to make? See, this is the example. Suriname cherry can be made a beautiful bonsai, and this, see the structures, neberi. And jade, friends, our favorite jade also, they created a masterpiece. You should add the different accessories and different style, different look. They added stones and they created pads, regular pruning. They made a best masterpiece. Okay, this is Asper. Asper also, they created a beautiful painting style. They created with the rocks. That rocks and all, I'll be showing how to add the rocks and all in the next videos, coming videos. How to add the rocks and how to stick and all, we'll do in the next video. Friends, now let's go to the mammy part. People are now very much crazy about mammies. Okay, this is the Hispida. Okay, beautiful. This is the variety, new variety with a small leaf, beautiful. And this is Hispida. See the mammy, and this is we call as a elephant leg. This also they created a small mammy. Okay, and this in the mammies I like it the most. And this, see the healthiness, see the beauty, the shape, the exposed roots, and the created the cascade style, semi cascade style, and with the beautiful flowering. So how beautiful it is, see. Friends, next coming to the best small mammy, Nia boxifolia. See the structure, the mass, the pot, the size, the healthiness, beautiful mammy. Friends, this is buttonwood, the ficus variety. This is beautiful. It is actually, I don't have this collection in my collection, but it's really beautiful how they made it a root or rock. It's now this is a Pramna. See the root, nebari, the trunk, taper, and this beautifully it was designed mammy. And people ask for different styles. Now I'm going to show you the forest style. See the forest style funkanti. The normal funkanti you get it in nurseries. This funkanti they made a beautiful landscape. See the gap, the alignment, the structure, the forest. I keep on telling this, the center branch should be thicker and the back side should be the thin branches, and they made it a beautiful forest style. See, okay. Friends, you all know that bougainvillea is the best. Okay, it grows well in India. See the thickness, see the age, see the canopy. Okay, and the beautiful and the bougainvillea. And this is Ficus microcarpa, the multiple clump style. How beautiful, multiple trunk, and the alignment, the structure, branch, and all beautiful. See, friends, this is a Ficus round island, a simple plant we get normal in the gardens. They created a masterpiece. Even it's Ficus round island, a normal simple ficus plant. See how they created as a masterpiece. And we can create a lot of, this is simple funkanti, and they made it a little landscape, adding stones and figurines. And see this how they created healthy. Okay, this is Suriname cherry. See the flowering, I told you, no? Suriname cherry, see hundreds of flowers. It's blooming like anything, and you get a beautiful red color, beautiful fruits also on this. Friends, this is Triphasia trifolia. We call it as a small table lemon, a beautiful plant. It gives beautiful red color fruits, and it's a beautiful bonsai. Okay, friends, there are good collections. You can see this, the good clump style and this Podocarpus. There are a lot of collections including bougainvillea, funkanti, all Indian, which grows well in this. See this slanting style, raft style. Okay, and there is a divi, and this is Pramna. See how thick it is grown, and you can keep on. This is water jasmine and the bougainvillea. Bougainvillea also they made a small penji and they beautifully organized. Friends, this is all about Indian Bonsai Masters creation. Friends, I hope you like this entire collection of Indian masters who created. And first of all, I would like to thank South Asia Bonsai Federation to organize such a beautiful event in India, Mumbai, Karjat. This is an International Bonsai and Suzuki Convention. Friends, if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And please share with your friends who really miss this wonderful event. You can share with them, and please subscribe. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ అనేవి ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ప్రతి కామెంట్కి రిప్లై ఇస్తాను.